Oceaneering runs the world's premier fleet of robotic operated vehicles, supporting various industries including defense, aerospace, entertainment, and offshore oil and gas. These underwater ROVs are managed by a team of technicians who travel offshore and that need to be prepared for planned and unplanned maintenance scenarios. For that, having an up-to-date inventory is crucial, but the experience was far from ideal.
What we had was a legacy handheld scanner with a small 4-inch screen, which was really cumbersome and inefficient, where the users had to navigate to multiple different screens to perform one function. And especially when the technicians working offshore are wearing all their heavy gears and gloves, user experience is very, very, very critical for us. And since that was very cumbersome, what we saw was over a period of time, the adoption of that legacy handheld scanner was going down.
When managing an inventory worth $100 million, even the slightest mistake can be costly. So Hari and team set out to rebuild the application using OutSystems.
OMS-Invent is a game-changing inventory management system for offshore operations. It's a tablet app that streamlines operations by enabling the crew members to scan parts, update the stocks, perform cycle count, and also sync seamlessly with the onshore systems and other applications. The feedback from the users has been overwhelmingly positive. The technicians really appreciate the intuitive design what we had, the ability to work offline, and the significant reduction in time required to perform inventory tasks. It led to improved inventory accuracy over 70% in the same period. The overdue in-transit orders over 180 days was reduced by almost 90% during the first year. The app empowered the offshore crew to streamline their operations, and definitely it has increased the trust over a period of time.